Division of a line segment using Thales theorem. Activity: take a sheet of paper from a lined notebook. Number the lines by 1, 2, 3 and so on, starting with the bottom line numbered 0. Now take a thick cardboard paper or file card or chart strip and place it against the given line segment AB and transfer its length to the card. Let A dash and B dash denote the points on the file card corresponding to A and B. Now place A dash on the 0th line of the line paper and rotate the card about A dash until point B dash falls on the 5th line, that is 3 plus 2. Mark the point where the third line touches the file card by P dash. Again, place this card along the given line segment and transfer this point P dash and denote it with the P. So, P is the required point which divides the given line segment in the ratio 3:2. Now let us learn how this construction can be done. Given a line segment AB, we want to divide it in the ratio m:n, where m and n are both positive integers. Let us make m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. Here are the few steps to construct. 1. Draw a ray AX through A, making an acute angle with AB. 2. With A as center and with any length, draw an arc on ray AX and label the point A1. 3. Using the same compass setting and with A1 as center, draw another arc and locate A2. 4. Like this, locate 5 points that is equal to m plus n. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, such that A1 is equal to A1, A2 is equal to A2, A3 is equal to A3, A4 is equal to A4, A5. 5. Join A5, B. Now, through point A3, m equal to 3. Draw a line parallel to A5, B by making an angle equal to angle BA5A intersecting AB at C. So, it can be observed that AC is to CB is equal to 3:2.